Hey, I'm Kiki, and this is the masterclass for content creators. I'm your content BFF. Today's class is what you need to know in order to start a YouTube channel. Let's get started. These are the 3 things you need in order to be a successful YouTuber. Starting with, you have to know how to put together a video, conceptualize all those ideas, and get it out for your viewers. We talked about that in my last class. I'll link it down below. The second thing is you cannot be a perfectionist. You have to just keep the tunnel vision and keep it going. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes will happen. Lastly, work with what you have. All the fancy equipment and stuff will come with time. It is a great investment, but it's not necessary for a beginner. And with those 3 tips, I have been able to receive sponsorships, build a lovely community like you guys, and most importantly, just have fun. Starting with lighting, I'll be going from the cheapest to the most expensive. There's nothing more free than the natural lighting that we get every morning, but depending on where you live and the weather, you may or may not have some issues when it comes to that real good natural glow that you're looking for. So you have to kind of play around with it. Next is ring light. I prefer white light personally. I just like the cooler tones. However, you will always be able to play around and see what works for you. Be mindful. Ring lights also give that halo effect. So we'll only be lighting up and targeting what's in front, never on the sides or the background. Lastly, panel light with barn doors. It's my most expensive and it's my most fragile, so you really have to treat her with care. But I love filming on the white and yellow lighting because it is so bright that you really have to play around with, and it targets not only in front of you, but also to the sides. I will link my favorite tripods for phones, DSLR cameras, and all of these lights or something similar down below. Moving on to talking points. As a YouTuber, you have to keep your audience captivated, and they're here for you. If you have cool, spicy editing, that's fantastic, but they want to hear what you have to say, and you want to keep them here so they don't just veer off, you know? So you have to ask yourself, what can the viewer take away from the video? Is it informative, entertaining? Are you telling a story? Once you're aware of what you're trying to portray, then that's when the fun begins. Using this video as an example, the theme is starting a YouTube channel. It is informative, so the takeaway is starting a YouTube channel is easy. Click the like button if you feel me so far. Next is your filming space. That goes back to working with what you have. There is nothing wrong with transforming your bedroom into your personal studio. I personally have had some of my highest YouTube views right in front of this closet door with my ring light on cool settings with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. If I can do it, you can do it too. Play around with your space. Move into a corner so it looks a little bit more elongated. Try your best to put yourself in the middle of the bedroom so you can have a bunch of wall space to work with. Next is editing. You can edit on iMovie for free. We love free over here. Some of my favorite mobile editing apps are CapCut, VN, InShot, Adobe Premiere Rush. All of these versions are free. I do not use any paid options unless necessary. Aesthetic. This is a very interesting topic. I know we love to play around with things. I know we want it to look cute. I know we see inspiration all the time and we want to work with it. Don't worry about none of that. You do not need a cool setup yet. Just film. Just do it. The Pinterest inspiration and the mood boards and everything you have will come with time. Put it out there so your community can love you for you. Not for your setup, not for your cool editing, not for the aesthetics. Just do it. And the last thing you need to know to start your YouTube channel is how to get the copyright-free music. YouTube already has an audio library full of copyright-free music, so I would suggest starting there because YouTube already approved those songs, which means your video won't get flagged. Now, if you're interested in some more vibey music, that's when you go to SoundCloud. Do not take the original, do not take a remix. Try to take something where the artist has taken the original song, but they use a completely different background track just so YouTube won't pick up the original music. In hopes that you won't get copyright, fingers crossed, but when in doubt, YouTube Audio Library, I highly recommend. People will come to your YouTube channel simply for your personality. Of course, the topics as well, but your personality is what will keep them coming. If you don't like makeup, don't wear it. If you prefer voiceovers, do it. The purpose of YouTube is to be original and to have fun. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to keep up with me. Class is over. Don't forget to comment below if you have any questions, and see you next time.